So what's up guys, welcome back to Mr. C and Works. Today I'm going to unbox and review a camping lamp. As you can see, forget the price because I got a discount in that. In the box itself, it actually tells a lot about this lamp, and it is telling that it is a solar type C charging. That means it will charge at solar and type C, not type C. Okay, that means actually like new one. Infinite dimming and sorry, what, writing hooks. They all are in here. There is a paragraph here. It tells about the charging and everything. So in this kind of interface, we can see that the superpower remote lightning. I actually unboxed it and review it myself before it reviewing to you, so I know, because the remote lightning wasn't available in this. I need to ask the store again because in this box I didn't get one. Okay, circulation charging means if you overcharge it, it will discharge automatically, and high power long life LEDs. And this is like the product itself review from here. This is not waterproof. Okay, this is the box itself. It is called the LY18 Camping Lamp. So let's get to the unboxing. Get my scissors and oh shit, I thought I said this. So when you open the box, you get a USB type A to type C cable. Pretty good actually, the quality feels. And let's get, and yeah, that's the box. Okay, oh anyway, the product itself is covered with very good this, I don't know if this fake or not, good paper. This marking. So the product itself is this. I think okay. Okay. It's like kind of heavy, but not much heavy. There is the dimmer. Okay, there is the solar panel. I'm going to let's see the solar panel at the last because I need to go outside. And okay, this is the lamp itself. It I means have a very good design. The hook is here. The type C port is here, and this turns red while charging, and when it's fully charged it turns green, so that's good. Many lamps don't have that feature turning green, I think so. I think yeah, this is the lamp itself. In the solar panel, in the outer one, it's like a transparent thing that protects the solar panel, and it's actually good. Okay, not gonna lie, this is actually good. Wait a minute, I'm going to dark this room. And okay, I darken this room. When this light turns off, it all will be dark, and I'm going to turn on this. And this is actually a two color one, a white one and yellow one. Let's see the result. This is when you know, this is the starting one, and when you go, the brightness goes up, and it turns to white. That change is actually like pretty cool, you know. And you can go up, and that is actually bright, you know. Look at that. This is actually bright from my point. It isn't that like not much bright, but this is actually good. holds up very well for a charge. Okay, let's see the lowest brightness is. No, this is all yellow. Only like these kind of things. And when you go high, now this is the brightest yellow color that you can get, and it goes very far. You know, my hands are still okay. The camera cut. Okay, my hands are still visible with the camera because in the lower one, when I go here, you can't see this. So, oh my god! And now you can see the yellow one is actually like pretty bright for itself. If you see closely, wait a minute. You see closely, you can see the LEDs, but I think the camera won't get it. Let me see if the light can turn on. That little dots, I don't know. So, and when you turn into the lowest white light mode, that is actually not the most white. I think this is like a warm white color. That means a little bit yellow too. My hands are visible to the, but in the yellow one they were like only here. White one is here, and when you turn that brightness into the highest, to the highest, this is actually a good brightness. Okay, not gonna lie. Like that. Hands are clearly visible. The light is actually pretty good for pretty good for the price. I got this at a discount. It is actually pretty good feeling in the box. In the box it says 2720 rupees, but I got this for 1700. A pretty good deal. Wait a minute, 3 2 1. Voila, the lights are on. This is actually pretty good. I recommend this. Quite of quality feel. Before I end this video, I'm going to show you what is this like the solar charging. So in 3 2 1, so I went to outside. This indicator is now on. Let's go here. Going into sunlight. The indicator is on. Here you go. Oh. Oh, and another thing I need to share about this is when we turn it to like the artificial light, that won't start. Okay, so you need the sunlight for this. So thank you so much for watching this. Hope you have a good day. See you in another video. Peace out, Mr. CN Marks.